guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming to see another unboxing from Feelook Art's Diamond Paintings. Thank you very much for coming. And today I'm going to do this unboxing a little bit different. I'm not going to spend that much time on the box or the toolkit. I'd really rather get down to the meat and potatoes of this diamond painting, Feelook Arts Company, and the drills, because that's like the most important things to me anyway. Although this is a very nice box, it's textured, it's very strong. This came in another cardboard box protecting it and bubble wrap. And so you see Feelook Art in their slogan on this side, and on this side back here you have some pictures of steps of diamond painting, although there's a booklet inside. On this side, you also see all of their social media here. They're on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and that's their website. Everything will be linked in the description box. Under this hand here, there is a picture of the artwork too, but I'm going to keep you in suspense for a moment. So this is everything that was in the toolkit. This is what the bag looks like. A nice bag with their name on it, branded. We have two bags of small bags, and I think there are 30 in each one, and they're the nice bags. You get two of these white trays, a pair of purple angled tweezers, and this special pen that is for single placing. This comes preloaded there with some pink wax, which I never noticed before. So you put it in, you turn this, and the wax comes out this end. They give you this little box that has 3 cartridges there. That's more than enough to do that diamond painting for sure. I prefer to use one of these pens, but these are also really good for picking up your gems on your paper crafting, and your small paper pieces, and it will not leave a residue on them at all. So that's my pen. You also get these stickers that you can put on your bags or your containers, however you kit up. You get a booklet like this that you can sign. In here, more directions and some tips for you. On the back, you can log in your start and your completion date, more of their social media, and you get a picture of the artwork on this baseball size holographic card. So there's a scratch off here for me, and you get 10%. I'll get 10% off on my next purchase, or if you buy a diamond painting, you'll get a card just like this. You can also save 10% by using my affiliate link, which will be in the description box, and my code Diana10 will be there. So let's put this away for a moment, because I kept you in suspense about the artwork. They are doing a pink series this month. Last month it was the storybook series, and I'm working on Gentleman Rabbit still. It's a very large diamond painting. But this one that I chose is much smaller and really a good one. If you are just starting out diamond painting, you'll do really good on this one. And so will I, because I needed a small one as a break after I finished this big one. So let's look at the border that's going all around this diamond painting, and that is to prevent anything from sticking on the outside here. That also will help you keep your drill straight, because you can't stick anything over to this end or down here. So that will help you. If your diamond painting has any wrinkles on it, you can pull this back and then smooth it back down, and your diamond painting will be ready to use. This is one of the short lint canvases, almost like a flannel feeling. It has scalloped edges on the sides, and these little poke holes here, poked holes here are to prevent it from fraying. Their social media is down here, a picture, the size, all of that. And I already felt this, and it has a nice stick to it. So let's talk about the artwork here, because this bear is looking a little bit sad. I don't know why. Maybe he lost his true love or something. I don't know. I know I'm weird, but I like to like my diamond paintings to tell a story, and he's telling some kind of story, and he's sitting on this crescent moon, or she, it could be a she. I didn't even think of that. And there's a little bit of clouds, and they're dripping down here. He has a stars in a circle going around his head. I don't know if that's a halo or it's something what he's thinking of. I don't know. I might even change that to make a happy face if I can. And that's something you can do too. If you want to change a little something on your diamond painting, you can add ABs to it. You can substitute them if you have a color that is very close. It will and that can work too. So the symbols here, we have 20 colors on the legends that are on the upper left and the lower right here. So we have a minus sign, plus, equals, a lowercase t, a small black square, capital L, capital T, H, and P. We have an arrow going down to the right. We have a crescent moon, another black circle inside a black box. I like to call that one a microphone, capital X, F, K, and this is not a Y. This is a symbol that is, well, it's like a line and another line, because I almost did a really big boo-boo on Gentleman Rabbit and grabbed the capital Y and was placing it where this symbol was, because I had both of them on one diamond painting. So luckily I caught it before I put too many drills down. But you won't have that problem with this diamond painting because all of there's no capital Y. And if I can just make one suggestion to Feelook, I don't know if they'll hear me or not, is not to use that symbol and a Y together. Anyway, now we have 3 special drills here, 18, 19, and 20. So we'll be looking for those. Let's see, anything else about the canvas itself? Nope, I don't think so. If I remember, I'll come back to it. So let's start taking a look at the drills, which I've taken out of that plastic that they come in. I'm going to flip you over for a second, Pink Teddy. Um, and they are doing this pink series this month, and not necessarily Valentine's. It could be pink anything. And they'll probably have a special promotion on those when they go up on the website. So our drills are coming in this big train here. That's what we call it. So let me just do this so we can look at the colors. Alright. We have this pink and 3 big bags of that peach color. And when I flip the canvas, I'll show you about that. We have this brown, this pink, 2 more shades of pink. That's like a taupe color, and then this is like a dusty rose color, I'll call it. Over here we have 2 big bags of this pink. We have a red, some shades of brown for our bear, a very light tan, another tan, 2 more pinkish red colors, and then we have this one here. So I'm going to use these trays here to pour some of these drills in here so we can take a look at them. So Feelook Art uses all resin drills. So I think I put too many of them in there, but this is what I like to see. Very good sparkle to them. Nice flat bottoms. Every once in a while you'll get one that may have a tiny hole in the top when you are dealing with resin drills, and that's nothing. And you can take them out and you might find some trash, what we call trash, which in this tray I put some in here to show you. what would be trash. But it's okay, just throw those away, or you can save them. I'm saving the ones that I found in Gentleman Rabbit in there. So I'm going to bring the camera back up. All right. So let's see, when I showed you these 3 big bags, what I was talking about. So this diamond painting is a really nice combination of multi-placing and what we call confetti. So these 3 bags are that crescent moon symbol, and those are going to go all around here in the background. And you can see they've given you plenty of them. In fact, you get 30% probably over the amount that you need, because they take into consideration if you might spill them or something like that. So that's great. So let me get these back into this before I lose them. If you ever have any questions, my email is in the description box, and I'd be glad to help you with any kind of diamond painting question you might have. I have washi on here. Keep those sealed up. So here are our special drills. And I'm going to, I think, bring you back down to see this. So over his head is where all of these special drills are going to go. I got to make sure I'm seeing what you're seeing. I have my camera up pretty high today. All right, so in those, you're going to see the sideways triangle. And what I mean by that is a sideways triangle symbol. And they're going to go around where you see that that end symbol there. So around the end symbol are a few of these sideways triangles, and that is the smaller of the rhinestone. And then the larger of the rhinestone is where these large, like N symbols are. That's where those go. And then the gold half pearls are going all around here in the circle and inside every star. So you could certainly add more to this if you're comfortable doing that, like ABs. I don't know if you can add any other special drills. You can try it. If you have some leftovers from your other diamond painting, don't be afraid, because you can't break anything. If you make a mistake and the drills go into the wrong place, you can just pick them off. It might take a little bit, but you can fix almost anything. And I mean by that is almost anything. I think I've done it all. As far as mistakes go, and you learn from your mistakes and you get better at it, and then it's just pure fun, and can just melt away your depression or anxiety, and next thing you know, you've completed a whole section, and 3 hours have gone by. So anyway, I think that's all for today. I appreciate you coming to watch this video, and I want to thank Feelook Art for letting me be an affiliate and letting me show you this diamond painting. And it's really nice working with them. So thank you. I'll see you next time with something new.